Okay, so this is what the paper airplane is gonna look like. So I'm gonna be making that. So first you fold it. Make sure you get it even. If you don't, it's fine. And then open it back up and then take this corner. Make sure you line it up to the line right here. And then you take the other corner and make sure you line it up to the line, the other line. And then you take this, fold it like this, and then you take the other side and fold it like this. Mine might take a while because I'm just learning, but I'm pretty good at it. So then you take this and fold it up. And then make sure it's slanted up, and there's a little thing, there's a little line right there. And then you take this, don't take the whole thing, and then you make it go a little further down, and then that's the other wing. And then you take it, try to match it up with this, and then you take this, put your fingers right under here, and then pop the wings up. And then there you go. There's your paper airplane.